The flood that hit Pakistan in 2022 was a horrific tragedy. Many organizations like Shauoor Welfare Foundation work for relief and rehabilitation of flood-affected people. It was a nightmare for these people, and among all the rescue, relief, and rehabilitation activities, little attention was given on the psychosocial support of traumatized families, especially innocent children. Realizing this need of psychosocial support, various organizations, University of Oxford, UNICEF, WHO, Shauoor Welfare Foundation, Wasila Foundation, and IP Quaid-e-Azam University collaborated on the Pakistan Parenting Project and designed some simple but useful tips for effective parenting in these difficult times. As a proud partner, our responsibility was to disseminate these tips to a target population. Our team held surveys to measure effectiveness of these tips along with distribution and explanation of each tip to parents in flood-affected areas. We ensured that the tips are well communicated in local languages as well. Dissemination was effectively done in various cities through FM radios, public sessions, door-to-door interactions, and public gatherings. Shauoor Welfare Foundation is glad to be a part of this project sponsored by University of Oxford, as we believe that awareness and mental well-being is one major solution to many societal problems.